What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to troubleshoot and fix a poor network signal on your iPhone running iOS 17. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The cause of a poor network signal can vary based on your location, carrier, or even specific settings on your iPhone. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to Mobile Cellular Service and then Network Selection. Toggle off the Automatic option and wait for the available carrier options to load. Manually select your carrier from this list. You can then check your signal strength to see if there's an improvement using an internet speed testing site or application like Speedtest. When this is done, slide down from the upper left corner of your screen to open the control center. Toggle on airplane mode. Wait for about 15 seconds, then toggle it off. This action will refresh your network connection and could improve signal strength. Next, head back to your cellular service settings. Scroll down to find the Wi-Fi Assist option and toggle it off. This feature, when enabled, can switch to cellular data when Wi-Fi is weak, which might interfere with cellular signal strength. If the problem persists, consider ejecting your SIM card and waiting a minute before reinserting it. This step can sometimes resolve network connection issues if they are hardware related. Sometimes an update to carrier settings is available that can help in improving the network signal. Go to Settings, General, About. If a carrier setting update is available, you'll receive a notification to update it from here. Lastly, consider resetting your network settings. From your main settings, navigate to the General section and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone and then Reset. Tap on Reset Network Settings and enter your passcode to confirm the reset. This will revert all network-related settings back to factory defaults and will, in a lot of cases, help improve your network connection if the problem was related to your network settings. Remember that you'll be required to log back into your Wi-Fi network as the settings will be reset. By following these steps, you should be on your way to resolving the poor network signal issue on your iOS 17 device. Each solution may work differently based on individual circumstances, so don't hesitate to try them all. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.